Hi guys, hope you're doing well and you're watching Hyperetics Sec channel. I am fantastic today. Hope you guys are also well. And in this video, I'm going to discuss that how we can configure DMARC and DKIM records so that your email can be land successfully into the client inbox rather than the spam. So we will ensure the 100% delivery into the inbox in this video. So this video is very important and see carefully each and every step. So before starting this video, I'm going to tell you within 10 to 20 seconds with an important thing that in order to make sure that your email is working, three records are very mandatory. Number one is the A record, number two is the MX record, number three is the SPF records. Without three records, you cannot send your emails, or if you send, the client will not receive your email. So these three records is mandatory in order to send the records. And once you connect your domain with the hosting will automatically configure these three records, so no need to take tension. So these three records will automatically configured into your hosting once you connect your domain with your hosting. So A record, MX record, SPF record, these three records will be provided automatically from the hosting side. Now, in order to ensure 100% delivery, you have to configure DMARC, DKIM. These two records, once you configure these two records, your email reputation will become high and it will land into the inbox guarantee. So let's start. So this is our cPanel, and we have to click onto the DNS. Then we have to click onto the pgrecruitment.com because this is the domain. Here we need to configure the DMARC and DKIM record because we have recently connected this domain to our hosting. And so these are the, now we have to click onto the PG recruitment. Sorry, we have to go back. We have to go into the main cPanel. Then we have to type DKIM onto the main cPanel. Onto the search bar, you can type just simply DKIM and you will get it. So just click on that. Now we have to select the respective domain, pggrecruitment.com. You can change the selector, but I will keep as it is by default. And then we have to click add signature. Wait for a while. DKIM record has been successfully created and it has automatically configured in your DNS. So once you create it, it's done. Now we have to create a DMARC records. So for DMARC records, you will have an option. You can go into the cPanel and type this onto the search bar. You can type just DMARC and you will get it. Otherwise, you will have option inside the DKIM as well, and you have to click onto the DMARC. Then you have to select the domain. PGG recruitment. Then you have to select the policy. So it is highly recommended to select the quarantine policy, because if you select the reject policy, so maybe you will face problem in receiving the emails, because it may be possible a client or a person who is sending your email, maybe it hasn't configured a DMARC record. it has not configured the DKIM record. Maybe it is not a technical guy. Maybe he just purchased the email from the GoDaddy or Microsoft and just sending you the email, and he suppose he doesn't have any system administrator, and if he doesn't know any technical knowledge, and so maybe he will not configure their DMARC record. So in that case you will not receive their emails. So it is highly recommended to put into the quarantine. It is the most feasible way. Apart from that, you can also, if your company insists you for the restrictions, so you can put also reject, but I suggest you to always put quarantine here. Once you put the quarantine here, add the DMARC record. It will take a while. Within 1 minute or 30 seconds the DMARC record will be added. You can see that DMARC record has been successfully added. Now you can verify these records from the MX Toolbox. MX Toolbox is a website through where you can verify the DMARC records and other records of DNSs. So you have to click onto the super tool, and then you can see that it's by default MX, but obviously MX record is already there because it is provided by the hosting. So recently we have configured the DMARC and DKIM, so we will verify that. So just we click onto we have to find the DMARC lookup, then we have to click onto the paste. Here is our domain lookup. You can see that policy is, you can see that policy is quarantine enabled, and each and everything is perfect. You can see that. Now we will check for the DKIM record. Selector, whenever you will go for the DKIM record, it will always ask you regarding the selector. I'm going to show you that DKIM lookup. Once I click that, it will not give a record. It is saying that you have to attach the selector. So how you can attach the selector? It's simple. You have to put the column S1, and that's it, and you will have a DKIM record. So you can see that we have successfully configured DKIM and DMARC record. Now your email is 100% guarantee that it will be delivered inside the mailbox or land inside the mailbox or inbox of the client. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and forward to your family and friends, and subscribe our channel. Give the thumbs up and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.